Sure, what is up guys? Good afternoon. A while ago I was in Central Station interviewing Sir John Vincent Labata for What's Your Story segment. So I didn't get to vlog because I was preparing my stuff, my camera setup and all, so I didn't get to vlog, but I'll show you some short clips of our interview. Go.
Hi, my name is John Vincent Labata and I'm a Sydney-based video editor.
And now we are heading to Atualis's house and pick up Max and Kala because I'm gonna go I'm gonna go shoot short film. Yeah, I'm here with my lovely sister Melissa and Renette. They'll be the ones gonna help me shoot this film, and I don't know, I hope this goes well, and yeah, let's hope for the best. So see you guys on the other side. Shoot the boys and go. Action. Where is Melissa? And then the bus arrives, and that is a wrap to you guys. We are done. It is a good show. I hope it'll be a good film. It's just a last minute decision, just for fun guys, just want to make stories. So thank you to our lovely cinematographer, assistant director Melissa, and to assistant Renette Melodia. Check out their Instagram accounts. It's
link down below.
something lang.
Good.
Okay, link down below. at link down below. So yeah, check the boys and go. Action.
Chat, what is up guys?